everyone, so today I'm going to be filming a very exciting unboxing. I have seen these shoes for so long on Instagram, just like on ads all the time, like coming up and stuff, and then I stopped seeing them for a little bit and I just saw them again recently. They were having a 70% off sale, so I was like, oh my gosh, this is my time to get them. So I looked on the website and they were $51.60, and I was like, that's not bad, like since they're originally like 80 something dollars. And then the shipping, because they're from the UK and I live in America, the shipping was like $15, but I was looking all over the place for like discount codes and stuff, and I found a YouTuber who had a discount code. I saw her do like a sponsored video of these, so I used her discount code to get 30% off, which pretty much covered the shipping. So I just took it out of the like plastic like poly mailer that it came in, and the box is a little bit dented. Like I said, I live in America. This was a fast delivery though, because I ordered them on March 29th and it's April 7th. It took like a week and 2 days, I think, so that was really fast for it to come from the UK. But like I said, the box is dented, so that's not great. That like the box is a little smushed in, and yeah, just like overall the box looks really bad, but that's okay. We don't care about the box, we care about what's inside. So hopefully the inside looks better than the outside. So okay, I'm so excited. Ew, why is there stuff on here? Okay, well I guess that's where the box like kind of broke. It's got some stuff right there, but these look so cute already. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I don't know why there's like dust and stuff on them. Okay. Customs did not care, but that's fine, I guess. Okay, so this is how they look. I was trying to like dust them off with whatever is on here. Anyway, this is how they look. Oh my gosh. I've seen these so much on Instagram and YouTube, and to finally have them, oh my gosh, they look so cool. And I don't have any like knee-high boots or anything, and people said these weren't that hard to walk in, so that's kind of good to know, because I'm not really a heels girl, I'm a sneakers girl. Okay, and here's the second one. Why is there stuff on here? Okay, that comes off. I was like, why is there stuff on here? Yeah, this also said that it was like gonna be pre-ordered, but then it shipped the same day that I bought them. So I don't know what that was about, but they look so cute. They're like soft on the inside. Wow. But okay, this is how they look. They look so cute. I'm excited to try and wear these because like I said, I am not a heels girl. I don't know why they're so dirty, but we're gonna do the try on. I watched a video where a girl talked about like the height of them, and I think it's like 4 inches in the back, something like that. I was gonna try and measure them, but I'm just too excited and I need to put them on right now. So let's ignore my outfit and just admire the shoes, okay? Okay, like I said, we're ignoring my outfit and just admiring the shoes. This is how they look. Oh my gosh, they're so cute, and they are comfortable to walk in. Like I said, I'm not a heels girl at all, but yeah, I can stomp around in these. Yeah. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. And I do have like room around my calf and stuff. I think they do have like a plus size like wide calf thing, but I don't know the exact measurements. I'll link that girl's video below that she actually measured like her calf, and she measured how like wide they were and like how tall and stuff, because that video, I watched that before I ordered them because it was so helpful. So these are so cute. I love these so much, and like I said, I've seen them on Instagram so much, and now I finally have a pair, and I got them for a really crazy sale. So these are so cute. I like these so much. I've just been in like a huge like platform boots phase. I just recently got the Unif Parker boots. I'll link that video above. These are like get out of my way energy. So yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!